Science 3 Physical properties of objects: hard, shiny, and stretchable. Objects that are shiny. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to 1. Describe objects that are shiny. 2. Identify objects that are shiny. Describe the physical properties of the image below. Touch. The spring feels smooth and hard. Touch. The coils allow the spring to compress and stretch. Sight. The springs look silver and shiny. Can you think of hard objects you use at home? Where do you use them, and what do you use them for? Can you think of hard but shiny objects you use at home? Where do you use them, and what do you use them for? What characteristic that make this coil spring similar from the group of objects? They are shiny objects. What is the meaning of shiny? An adjective that describes a surface that reflects light. For this day you will be focusing on one characteristic of objects, shiny. You will be describing shiny objects. You will also determine whether an object is shiny or not. What characteristic that make this notebook different from the group of objects? The notebook is dull object. What is the meaning of dull? An adjective that describes a surface that not reflects light. The antonyms of shiny is dull. Let's try some activities. Activity 3. What shiny objects I see at home and at school. Materials needed per group: flashlights, coin, aluminum foil, spoon, wooden ruler, bond paper. One. Draw 2 boxes on your notebooks and label them shiny and dull. 2. Pick one object from the given materials list. 3. Shine a flashlight on your object and observe if it becomes bright or not. 4. Observe your group mates' objects as they light the flashlight on them. 5. In the shiny box, draw the objects that appear bright when exposed to light. Where can you find shiny objects? At home, school, everywhere. What makes you say that an object is shiny? when it sparkles, when it is bright. Shiny objects are those that become bright when light is shown on them. Which of the following do you think will become bright when shown with light? One. What are examples of shiny objects? 2. How can we say that an object is shiny? 3. What are the basic uses of shiny objects? Write T if the statement is true about shiny objects, and F if false. 1. Shiny objects can only be found outside the house and school. 2. When shown with light, wooden popsicle stick will become bright. 3. Shiny objects can be hard or stretchable. 4. A ring is usually shiny. 5. Shiny objects can be big or small. Answer the following question in your science notebook. Think about how you and your classmate helped each other in this activity. How does working together with a classmate make the task easier?